All right, so this week's word of the week for week number 3 is going to be encouragement. Now, how many of you have ever heard that word before? The word encouragement means the action of giving someone support or hope. So get ready to go. We're going to start our Fast 5 in just a moment. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout number 3 is going to be crisscrosses, reverse lunges, mountain climbers, as well as hill taps. So stay tuned. I'll go and demonstrate those activities and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Fast 5 workout number 3. Workout number 1 is going to be crisscrosses. So now, this is what I call crisscrosses. It could be like scissor kicks. It could play. It's up to you guys what you want to name it, okay? My students know it as crisscrosses. So here we go. You're just going to cross your feet. You go in front and back, or you can just stay in front. Or you can just go in behind. It's completely up to you. I like to go forward and backwards, okay? So that's crisscrosses. That's workout number 1, exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is going to be reverse lunges. So that's pretty simple. Reverse, you place either your right foot, left foot, whatever you feel comfortable. You're gonna place it backwards, and then your left foot may go forward a little bit, and you're gonna go down and up, okay? I'd recommend maybe doing 5 or 10 of these straight, and then switch sides. So we'll do 5, then I switch, right foot comes forward, left foot goes down, and again, just drop down, all right? So that's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers. Very similar to a push-up position or a push-up plank that we did a few weeks ago. In that push-up position, make sure your hands are about shoulder width apart. Get upright, okay? And you're gonna place one foot forward, and you're gonna alternate your feet. You're gonna go back and forth, okay? Like this. Now, the closer you get your knees to your chest, the better the impact of the exercise, okay? So that's mountain climbers. Last one, we got hill taps. You're gonna go on your bottom. You're gonna place your head on the floor. And what you're gonna do is get your hands and you're simply gonna tap your heel and you're gonna go side to side. All right, so that's exercise number 4 is hill taps. So go and get ready and we'll start our Fast 5 workout in just a moment. Here we go, exercise number 1. It's going to be crisscrosses. All right, so let's get ready to go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. And if you guys are new to the Fast 5 workouts, just a quick reminder, we're gonna do 4 exercises for 30 seconds each, a 1-minute water break, and then we're gonna repeat the same 4 exercises for another 30 seconds each. Thus leading us to a 5-minute workout. Great job, keep up. Keep working hard. You're doing fantastic. Don't quit. All right, next one up, we got reverse lunges. Again, I'm gonna do 5 and then I'm gonna switch. 4, 5, and switch. Do the best you can. I know it's hard. Woo. Actually, I was falling a bit of my knee. Still working my best. The best of my abilities. If you have to go slower, that's okay. Alright, moving on. We got mountain climbers. Want to get down again. Get your knees to your chest. It's like you're running in place while in a push-up position. Alright, on the bottom, let's go. Let's go heel taps. Side to side. Great job. Keep up, we're almost done with our first round. All right, we got that 1 minute water break, bathroom break, sweat, towel break. Again, do these workouts to the best of your abilities. If you need to slow it down, that's okay. As long as your body's moving and working hard, you're going to be successful and you're going to get the results you guys want, okay? All right. One more time, Jordan. 15 seconds. Shake it off, take the legs off. Got one more round. Woo! Let's go. Get ready to go. And go. Crisscross this again. You got it. Keep working hard. You're already on your second round. You can do it. Keep going. Don't give up. Reverse lunges. And all the way to 5. Switch. Nice and easy. You're going to get better every time you do these workouts. If you have not seen Fast 5 workout number 1 and 2, I highly recommend you check those out. All right, moving on. Mountain climbers. Okay, keep going. It's okay, take breaks. Get up, keep going. All right, last one, we're doing it. Let's go, heel taps. This is it, 30 seconds. Everything you got. And time. Congratulations, you guys just completed Fast 5 workout number 3. You guys did amazing. If you're sweating, if you're tired, if you're exhausted, great job. That means you're putting in the work. Continue working hard. If you guys, again, have not seen Fast 5 1 or 2, highly recommend you do those workouts as well, just because it only takes 5 minutes and it's a great workout. As you can see, I'm out of breath and I'm tired. But you know what? I know it's for a purpose. Keep up the good work. Until next time, take care. So today, ladies and gents, today we're going to focus on hand-eye coordination. Again, hand-eye coordination. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be tossing a self-tossed object. It could be a beanbag, it could be a pair of socks, anything that you have accessible to you, definitely use. I'm today going to use just 2 pairs of socks. I'm going to put them together and I'm going to fold it over. And guess what? I made myself a sock ball. So I'm going to be using this for our activity and we're going to be focusing on hand-eye coordination, okay? So the first thing I want you guys to do today is get the socks ready to go and we'll start in about 1 minute. So with your object today, what you're going to do is you're going to toss it up in the air up to about your hand's length and you're going to toss it up about 5 times, focusing on catching it at about your waist level. Biggest misconception a lot of people do is try to catch it up high. You really don't have control when you do that, so make sure you guys put your opposite hand up, toss it, and let it come down to you about your waist level and catch it, okay? You do that 5 times with your dominant hand, your favorite hand, and then you're gonna switch to your non-dominant hand. So you're gonna put your opposite hand up, same thing, toss it and catch it 5 times. If you drop it, no worries, just pick it up, continue. This is only practice. Later on, we'll be trying some harder skills, so definitely try your best and learn from your mistakes, okay? So after you've done 5 on your right, 5 on your left, you're gonna go like a rainbow, and you're gonna go side to side, flopping it over. So start with your right, toss and catch with your left, toss with your catch. Try to do that 5 times with your opposite hands. Toss and catch. Again, you're gonna try to catch it at your waist level. If you feel like this may be a little bit too easier, you may try to challenge yourself and catch it lower, below your waist, but focus right now on catching it. What you're gonna do is, after you've done right hand toss, left hand toss, you've gone across, I want you guys to toss it to look like this. Same hand, right foot up, right hand up. Toss it and catch, toss it and catch, 5 times. Good with that? Try with the opposite foot, left hand and left foot, up, toss and catch. Okay, these are a little more challenging, so please do your best, work hard, and keep going. Don't quit. All right, great job. All right, so after doing our practice segment, we're now gonna move on to more of our challenging activities. So the first thing you're gonna do is you are gonna toss it a little bit higher than your hand, but this time, right before it hits the ground, I want you to catch it. So you're gonna toss it, right before it hits the ground, catch it. So you're gonna have to squat down and catch it, toss and squat. Do that 5 times with your right hand, and then you're gonna switch over to your left hand. Same thing, toss and catch right before it hits the ground. Squat down. Great job. Okay. Then I want you to toss it right before it hits the ground, catch it with your opposite hand. Toss it, catch it right before it hits the ground. Do that with your right, do that with your left. So if you have a sibling, a cousin, anybody at home, caregiver that can help you out with this, you can do another hand-eye coordination where you're gonna toss it to a partner. So I have my partner here, his name is Jordan, he's my son, and he's gonna help me with this activity. He's gonna turn around, face me, we're gonna go face to face. We're gonna go about maybe 5 feet apart from each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with our object, beanbag, sock, whatever it may be, I'm gonna toss it and he's gonna focus on catching it. Ready, Jordan? And he's gonna toss it back. I'm gonna go back and forth. Try to do as many as we can without dropping it, okay? If you guys wanna challenge yourself, one thing you can do is you can do this and see how many you can do in 1 minute. Okay, so quicker reflex, hand-eye coordination, quick in, quick out. Catch and toss as fast as you can in 1 minute, okay? That's a challenge that you guys can do. Another challenge you can do is I'm gonna toss it and Jordan's gonna catch it right before it hits the ground. As low as you can. Right below, right before, there you go, great job. He's gonna squat down, try to catch it right before it hits the ground, and then we're gonna switch with our opposite hand. So toss it with your left hand, try to catch it with your left hand. That's your right hand, other hand, Jordan. Okay, squat and try to catch it. This can be challenging, and again, you can do this with anybody, any caregiver, cousin, brother, sister, whoever you may have at home. Okay, so that's a fun little activity you can do, and again, the challenge could be doing as many tosses as you can in 1 minute and see what your total score is, and then challenge it with a friend or partner, and you guys can comment below how many you did in a row, okay? So definitely try it out, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.